technology is amazing. It's your masterpiece.
You're really gonna sit in this thing all summer?
Hold on. Don't call her a thing. She's my ultra lounge dramatic super chair. Sweet. Watch this. Oh, like 1,000 tiny fingers looking all the right parts.
You've brought laziness to an art form.
Thank you, Tony.
Okay. Thank you, darling. Well, it certainly looks like it has all the bells and whistles. That reminds me. Snack time. Huh? And for my entertainment pleasure.
Very good. Plans for both tonight.
That's so cold, yet so entertaining.
Yeah, well, I gotta get rolling, man. Have a good... Sit.
All right, man. Later, see you around. Oh, Tony, I have a surprise for you. That's your seat. Right next to Papa.
Actually, Papa, I've gotta get home.
Oh. All right, well then maybe tomorrow then? I'll be here all summer. I'll sit next to Papa. Mosquitoes. Come on, Ren, you're letting the skeeters in. They're really biting us here. Must be the rain or something. Ren, can you say something? Because that sick look is really starting to freak me out.
When I get my hands on you, do you have any... Ow! Louis, get me out of the thing!
Press the red button! The red button! No, the red button over there. The other one. This only makes it worse.
That's it!
I wouldn't do that, son. All right. Wow, Ren. Really stuck that landing.